Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled red radish. First, gather your ingredients, starting with about 1 pound of fresh red radishes. Make sure to wash them thoroughly under cool water to remove any dirt. Next, trim off the root and stem ends of each radish. Finally, slice them into thin, uniform rounds, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch thick for best pickling results. Now, let's create the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of salt. You can also add 1 tablespoon of sugar and any spices you like, such as a few peppercorns or a bay leaf, for extra flavor. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for about 2 minutes. With your brine ready, it's time to assemble. Carefully pack your thinly sliced radishes into a clean, heat-safe glass jar. Make sure they are packed tightly but not crushed. Then, pour the hot brine directly over the radishes, ensuring they are fully submerged. Once filled, seal the jar tightly with its lid and allow it to cool completely to room temperature on your counter. Once cooled, transfer your jar of pickled radishes to the refrigerator. For the best flavor, let them chill and marinate for at least 24 hours before enjoying. These delicious pickled radishes will stay fresh and crisp in your fridge for up to 3 weeks, perfect for adding a tangy crunch to many meals. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.